CEO and co-founder is Sivan Cohen. Welcome, Sivan.
Hi, everybody. My name is Sivan Cohen. I'm the CEO of Noria Water Technologies. At Noria, we're optimizing membrane-based water treatment with our real-time membrane monitoring and operator decision support system, which can cut RO plant operating costs by up to 30%. We currently have 4 systems installed in the field with paying customers and are generating SaaS revenue. The most traditional approaches of membrane-based water treatment are reverse osmosis, or RO, and nanofiltration, NF, which constitute together about 67% of the world's desalination capacity. RO is used across industry verticals, treating water such as wastewater, groundwater, brackish water. Seawater is the most popular and most well known as desalination, along with agricultural drainage water and a variety of different types of industrial process waters. RO is being increasingly used worldwide due to our need to use both new and reused water sources to add to the world water portfolio. The industry is positioned to double over the next several years and is being driven by innovations in membranes, in processes, and in digital technologies. The limitation of RO is the buildup of particulate matter, of fouling, and of mineral scaling on the membrane surface. An RO plant, which can cost up to tens of millions of dollars a year to operate, the membrane is the most costly and sensitive component of that plant. And within a single plant, you can have hundreds to thousands of membrane elements, each one of those elements costing several hundreds of thousands of dollars. The problem that RO operators have is that they don't have visibility to see the membrane itself. They're looking at these RO banks and these RO vessels, which you can't see inside of, and so in order to operate, operators have to estimate membrane health based on conservative industry standards, based on trial and error, and based on indirect measurement methods. Noria's solution is the MIMO membrane monitoring and operator decision support system, which enables early detection of the onset of fouling and mineral scaling, which enables detection up to 25% faster than existing technologies in the field. The way that we reduce costs by up to 30% is through a combination of increasing membrane lifespan, cutting chemical costs, reducing plant downtime, reducing energy use, operating at the highest possible recovery, and therefore cutting concentrate and management costs, as well as being able to utilize challenging water sources with varying feedwater quality. One of our customers, a 100 million gallon a day plant, treats tertiary wastewater for groundwater replenishment. Using the MIMO system, they were able to identify a 26% reduction in anti-scalant, which for them translated to a $300,000 to $600,000 a year savings based on their $1 to $2 million a year anti-scalant expenditure. That's over a 400% ROI within the first year of use of the MIMO system. How do we do that? Using the Noria MIMO hardware and software enables plant operators to directly visualize the membrane surface in real time. We also apply machine learning and spectral analysis to those images that are collected in order to identify and to characterize the foulants and scalants that are building up on the membrane surface. We also provide operational recommendations to operators using our decision support system. We currently have customers across a variety of industry verticals, a variety of plant sizes, as well as water sources. We're approaching the US addressable market, over 20,000 RO systems, and over $1 billion through our go-to-market strategy of direct sales, building on that to develop a sales rep channel network, and working with industrial equipment manufacturers, RO operators, and chemical and membrane companies. Right now, in order to accelerate growth and to approach the expanding RO market and to help RO operators cut their costs by up to 30%, we're currently raising a seed round of investment, looking for customer installations as well as sales partners. If you'd like to find out more, we're over there. I'd like to speak with you further. Thanks so much.
Wonderful. Very well done, Sivan. Any questions for Node?
Yes, Sivan, thanks. I just wanted to understand your revenue model. I understand there's a hardware piece and a software piece. So what's the revenue model?
The revenue model is a monthly license. That's for both the hardware and the software together.
Any more for any more? Going once? Going twice? Thank you very much indeed, Sivan. Very good. Now, them's the 8